Good morning, everyone. One more week with me at the helm. Al's still gone. I'm sure everybody's anxious for Al to come back. But until then, you're still my captive audience. And of course, we're going to start out, as usual, with the drought monitor report. So let's take a look at the map and see what we have. Well, what we have is pretty simple. We have a drought that continues to grow during the summer months with the heat and the diminished precipitation. We do see that drought strengthening across far west central Oklahoma and also central up into northwestern Oklahoma. So those are two areas, of course, to look at. And those areas in yellow, the abnormally dry conditions, those are areas where drought is trying to develop. So we need some rain, of course, as always, and those are the areas we're going to keep watching. And again, we show this about every week, but the departure from normal for the last 60 days, we can see those areas in the darker orange and red where the deficits are continuing to grow from 4 to nearly 7 inches across parts of central Oklahoma, around 4 inches out in far west central, and also up in north central Oklahoma. Last week we showed you the Mesonet soil moisture. Now these maps show the extent of topsoil and subsoil short or very short of moisture according to the USDA. And as you can see, 61% of the topsoils in Oklahoma considered short or very short of moisture. That's easily reflected also in the Mesonet data. Now the subsoil, that's up to 67% short or very short of moisture. So that's continued to increase as we've gone through the summer. Again, that's from the USDA, generally from your local FSA, NRCS, and other folks such as that in your counties. So if we take a look at the precipitation map, we see increased odds of above normal precipitation amounts for that 3-month period across central, south central, and southeastern Oklahoma, a little bit lesser up into the northwestern and north central and eastern parts of the state. But better chances of above normal precipitation amounts down there across the southern portions of the state. Now, of course, those white areas, that's where above normal, below normal, and near normal probabilities are all just about equal. So basically a punt by the Climate Prediction Center. Now that August through October temperature outlook is pretty obviously on the warm side, not quite so increased with the odds in Oklahoma as the surrounding parts of the United States, but they are still increased odds of above normal temperatures for that August through October period. So kind of a mixed bag in predictions there on the precipitation and temperature outlooks. We need rainfall in those areas that most need it. Central over through west central Oklahoma, up into the Panhandle and to the points east into north central Oklahoma. Of course, everybody needs rain, but those are the areas that are most in danger of seeing that drought intensify or develop. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.